in a beautiful green forest surrounded by tall trees, colorful flowers, and a sparkling river. Many animals lived happily together. Among them was a rabbit named Rocky and a tortoise named Timothy. Rocky the rabbit was famous in the forest. He was very fast. No one could run as quickly as him. Whenever there was a race or competition, Rocky always won easily. Because of this, he became proud and arrogant. Timothy the tortoise was very different. He was calm, slow, and patient. He did everything carefully and never rushed. Other animals sometimes laughed at him because he moved so slowly. But Timothy never felt bad. He believed in himself. The beginning of the challenge. One sunny morning, Rocky was showing off again. "Look at me," he shouted while running in circles. "No one in this forest can beat me in a race." The deer nodded in agreement. Even the monkeys admired him. Then, Rocky looked at Timothy and started laughing. "And you, slow turtle, you must take one full day just to cross the river." The animals laughed. Timothy felt hurt, but he stayed calm. He slowly raised his head and said, "Rocky, speed is not everything. I may be slow, but I never stop." Rocky laughed loudly. "Are you challenging me?" "Yes," said Timothy confidently. "Let us have a race." The entire forest became silent. A rabbit and a tortoise? It sounded impossible. But Rocky agreed immediately. He thought it would be the easiest victory of his life. The race day. The next morning, all the animals gathered near the big banyan tree. The finish line was near the riverbank far across the forest. The wise old owl was chosen as the referee. "Ready, steady, go," the owl shouted. Within seconds, he was far ahead. Timothy started slowly, step by step, calm and steady. Rocky looked back and saw Timothy very far behind. "This is too easy," he thought. "I have so much time." The rabbit's mistake. After running halfway, Rocky saw a soft patch of grass under a tree. "I will take a short nap," he said. "That slow tortoise will take hours to reach here." He lay down, closed his eyes, and soon fell into a deep sleep. Meanwhile, Timothy continued moving. He passed the butterflies. He crossed small stones. He moved through dry leaves. He was tired, but he did not stop. When he reached the sleeping rabbit, he looked at him for a moment. "I cannot control his actions," Timothy thought. "But I can control my effort." And he continued walking. The final moments. After some time, the wind blew strongly. Rocky suddenly woke up. The race. He quickly looked ahead and saw something unbelievable. Timothy was very close to the finish line. Rocky ran as fast as he could. Faster than ever before. The ground shook beneath his feet. But it was too late. Timothy slowly crossed the finish line. The forest exploded with cheers. The owl announced, "The winner is Timothy, the tortoise." The lesson. Rocky reached the finish line, breathing heavily. He felt ashamed. "I was too proud," he admitted. "I underestimated you." Timothy smiled kindly. "It's not about being fast," he said. "It's about never giving up." From that day onward, Rocky changed. He became humble and respectful. And the animals of the forest learned an important lesson. Slow and steady wins the race. Consistency is more powerful than talent without discipline. Never underestimate anyone.